Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video I'm making aloe vera gel using aloe vera powder. As you can see, I've put the powder into the jar, but I've put a bit too much, so I'm just taking some out to get the right quantity that I need. Aloe vera powder is a bit on the pricey side, but is basically what it is dehydrated aloe vera. So a little does go a long way in terms of what's the word called, changing it from getting aloe vera juice from it, then making the juice, which is what I'm doing now. I'm adding water to the powder to make aloe vera juice. I'm adding the water a bit at a time because I don't want to pour in too much like I did with the powder. I was able to scoop it out, but with this it'll be a bit more a bit difficult to do, so I'm adding it a bit at a time. The lump in there will disappear, so don't worry about that. So basically, yeah, what you see here now is aloe vera juice. Now I'm going to put this away and then start the actual gelling process. So now I'm going to get my glycerin. I'm going to measure that out into the jar. Measure out the glycerin. Again, slowly. Yep, that's what I need. Don't want to get in too much. You can actually skip this process and just add the gel, the gelling agent to the water, but I'd like to add the glycerin. That's just me. So now I'm going to add the Xingum into the glycerin. Glycerin, as you know, is brilliant all over hair, face, body. Is all over, very good. Anyway, just making sure again that I get the right quantity. I'm adding it a bit at a time because I've already got glycerin in there, so I don't want to be having to scoop it out from the glycerin, which would be no good for me. The powder will be no good for me, so I'm just adding it bits at a time. Just a little bit more. No, okay, got enough. But now a bit of, I'm gonna stir it now. Stirring the powder into the mixing the powder and the glycerin, there's no, I mean, obviously you can see that's easy. Where this is actually where the able works come in. You know, whisking it with the spoon, or I use a small whisk. I have this set of tiny diesel spoon that I purchased ages ago that I use only for cosmetic purposes when I'm making things. So I tend to use that. I do have a little whisk somewhere. I don't know where that is, but I know it's somewhere in one of the drawers. Anyway, so this now a bit of herb work. I'm gonna pause this in time and give you about good 3 to 5 minutes whisking. To get the consistency that I'm looking for. So basically, right now I'm just stirring away, adding the water. I could have just poured it in and just stir. You can see the lump. Do not worry, all those will disappear. With a bit of herb work, just keep stirring away. It will go. It's still very watery, but do not worry, you will see the consistency at the end while it ends the gel. So I'm just squeezing away. I think I'm gonna press it now and come back. Now I've added preservatives in there. That's why it's a bit glossy up there. The preservative again, when you're working with cosmetics and you are working with water, adding water to anything, you do need to add preservative, because the product is not going to be used within 2 or 3 days. This product is not going to be anyway, so I have to add preservative to it so that it can last longer. Yeah. Then you transfer it to the container. Is that simple? It's just the handwork. And I'm going to show you the consistency that you're going to get, or you should get. See that? That is the aloe vera gel, pure natural. This can then be scented. You can see you can use it directly. It's I use it as base for making product, hair product or skin product. I use it as a base, but it can be used on its own. As you can see, I'm just applying it to my skin, just show you. Anyway, thank you so much